I just realized that my mic was muted on YouTube the whole time. I feel bad for all the people on YouTube not hearing me speak. My apologies. Thank you guys for the likes, for the follows. I see you guys. I appreciate it. Um, but I definitely think crypto is here to stay. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, y'all. But anyway, so this was pretty bullish in my opinion. So, I mean, it could be possible. Let me undo that. It could be possible that we see Shiba just consolidate and do kind of like what it did. Because look, let me show you guys. When Shiba went and retested the all-time high over here, check this out. Look at this, y'all. When it tested the all-time high over here, it came back down, pretty far, and then started consolidating for a couple of weeks before we saw the next leg up. And look how high up it went. So we can possibly consolidate here, and for people that are wanting to get in or add to their position, this gives a good time that people can accumulate it, and then for the next leg up. But these are healthy moves, to be honest with you. We don't want to see this thing just keep shooting straight up, because it's going to come down just as hard as it's going up. But when you see it start to wind up and you see accumulation and things like that happen before the next big move, it makes that move that much more powerful, y'all. That much more powerful. So that's what I'm feeling about that. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks for the pumpkin. You know what I mean? I appreciate it. Thanks for the follows, y'all. Thanks for the everything. But this is Shiba. I just wanted to show you guys. So as we see, it broke to the upside. If it does come back down and retest this and it fall through, this red zone will be considered a nice accumulation zone. I'm just saying it over and over. Last time I was on live, I urged you guys to take a screenshot or just simply follow me, because I'm going to cover this every single day on my live, y'all. I'm gonna go every single day. I'm gonna go live. Let me pull up Safe Moon. Let me see live charts. Let's go. Let's go to Safe Moon. Thank you for the follows, guys. If you guys are interested in seeing the moves that I'm taking to and how I'm winning in this crypto market, follow me. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna be transparent and let you guys know what I see. Look at Safe Moon. It's doing what I thought it was going to be doing. Okay, so listen, when Safe Moon came down to this blue line I have here, I did accumulate some, but as you can see, it's coming down a little further. This is kind of a big pullback, but I think I would like to see Safe Moon come all the way down to here, and I will accumulate. Now, the Safe Moon that I had Safe Moon since way down here, y'all, way down here. So I'll show you. I'll draw a line where I initially got in, so you guys can see. My get-in point was about right here. So do you see that bottom blue line? That's where I got in the Safe Moon. I took big profits when it did this first run up, about, what was that, May or something like that? April, May. And then I've been holding ever since. It's been trending down. I mean, it got this close to my initial, to where I initially got in. That's how close it got to where I initially got in, you guys. It still kept holding, so it went back up. It broke above this. The whole time Shiba was pumping, nobody was talking about Safe Moon, but Safe Moon was doing this run up. It did a run up, actually hit this other area that was, I thought would be a significant resistance, and it actually was. So it did bounce off of this, and then I actually added more for the first time in like 5 or 6 months right here at this blue line. So these blue lines are my entry points. I got an entry here, my biggest entry here, and I have added some more here, and I plan on adding some more if it comes down this low. So if you guys are interested in getting into that and want to see when I'm investing in that, and want to get into Safe Moon and want to find out when you think is a good time, I will be going live about it every day. So if you guys are interested in Shiba, Safe Moon, let me know. And then I also have a bag of my long-term holds that I'm gonna talk about, like VeChain, XRP, all that. But this website is dex.guru. I do most of my charting here on TradingView. So this is TradingView. This is for Shiba right here. And then here we have my Safe Moon. I want to show you guys that. Safe Moon, when it was hitting this resistance, literally only, if it would have pumped another 64%, which this thing was running up like 50, 60% a day at one point. If it would have pumped another 50, 60%, we would have been at the all-time high. And I've been wanting to let people know about this before it pumps, because people like to get in. People like to get in after the pump. What if you got in before the pump? Like, look at this giant Safe Moon pump. What if you were the ones buying in at this low? What if you saw it bottoming out? So my job is I want to help you guys get in at smart times. I see that you guys are interested in this, and I want to help y'all. So that's why I appreciate the follows. Some people have already, found my help worthy, and I appreciate you guys for sticking around. You guys are on here on live all the time. How you doing? And yeah, I appreciate it. You guys are going crazy with the likes right now, everything. Let's get it. You guys got me at 1K viewers right now. So I hope I'm helping people. Again, these blue lines represent my entry points. So I got an entry up here. My lowest entry is way down here, guys, which was like 5 or 6 months ago. But this is Safe Moon. I can see it's going pretty high with this. Once they release their exchange, kind of like Shiba did, this thing might really blow off top. Like, think about that. They released their wallet, you guys. If you guys don't know, Safe Moon has released their wallet in the App Store for Android and Apple users. That's just one more thing to help, add to their coin. And then once they integrate their exchange into their wallet, that's going to be a whole other thing, y'all. So come on. Thank you so much for the likes. Let's run it, y'all. Let's run it. Let's run it. Let's make some money together, y'all. All right, so Dogecoin. I did want to bring that up. I know a lot of you guys been asking. I mean, as long as Dogecoin is remaining under 27 cents, I'm feeling a bit. I'm not going to let people in right now. Yeah, as long as under 27 cents, I'm kind of bearish on it because, look, I mean, Dogecoin, ever since it fell out here in like early September and got trapped under 27 cents, it's been under 27 cents that whole time. And then at one time we get a pump, which was Shiba's highest day. Shiba pumped crazy, and then literally Dogecoin wanted a little bit of the action to reclaim its spot back as number 9, and it did this pump. And it came crashing back down just as much as it did. And look where it's back. It's back hovering below 27 cents, y'all. This is crazy. Now, I'm not saying sell it or anything. I'm definitely not saying that. I'm not invested in Dogecoin. I'm a Shiba holder. I'm a Safe Moon holder. I'm not invested in Doge. When I did invest in Doge, it was around 1 cent, which I could have got in way earlier, but I didn't. And I did make money on that. I took profits when it ran up to like 70 cents, and that was it. I took all my profits out, actually, as a matter of fact. I transferred it over to VeChain, and VeChain kind of went down. The whole market fell down. So the money is back in crypto, but it fell down from there. Anyway, y'all, I want to answer your questions. Sandbox is great. Yeah. I mean, I'm not going to just jump into the coin now because everybody else did, but Sandbox is great. But listen, you guys, listen. I'm gonna show you guys what I think is like the best bet cryptos. Let me see. We got H-bar. It's kind of, still hovering back. It did a nice little pump, but it coming back down. H-bar is going to be big, especially when NFTs and everything gets released, and as it grows, as more projects and stuff get built upon this, that's going to be amazing. Hey, okay, I got a new subscriber on my YouTube. Appreciate it. Thanks for the YouTube subscribe, because I let you guys know I am live on YouTube as well. YouTube, I go here live more often because you can see the charts and everything. Got my camera there. I try to be more interactive. It's still kind of new. I don't promote it as much, but if you guys want to see me on YouTube as well, go subscribe to my YouTube. And yeah, I stay live on here longer because it's easier when it's sharing my whole screen. So again, my YouTube is in my bio. You guys can click on it. Follow me here too, guys. Follow me here to get the updates, the quick updates, the videos, and new coins that I like to talk about. I see your questions coming in, guys. My comments are moving so fast that it's hard to answer your questions. So if it seems like I'm skipping you, I'm not. I'm gonna get to them, as they come in. But I appreciate all the follows. You guys are amazing with that. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get up to 100,000 followers before this year is over. Hey, new subscriber, check it out, y'all. I see people subscribing to the YouTube. I appreciate you guys. Yeah. Oh, it's going crazy. I see the subscribers coming in, y'all. Check me out because sometimes my videos are blocked. Like I made another Shiba call, and they took my video down because of they say it's not because of the guidelines. You know what I mean? They literally took my video down, and I wish I had more people on my YouTube because I can get on YouTube and show people what I was looking at. I made another Shiba call back before it did that last pump. Let me show you guys. When it was, look, I had drawings here too. I got rid of them, but there was a little drawing I had here. I went on my live on my TikTok, and I didn't really have a lot of people on my live because sometimes it's going and sometimes it's not. But then I ended up trying to make a video because I wanted people to know that, hey, it can pump higher, And I made a video. I think this line right here was the top part when I was trying to make that video. And TikTok freaking took my video down. And I'm mad because it could have helped people. You know what I mean? This could have helped people. Even when it did this, let me show you. Even when it was consolidating, I told people it was consolidating, and we broke out of this zone. I try to make videos for you guys. I definitely do. So if you guys think I'm getting on the bandwagon late, that is not the case. For those of you guys that actually have been following me for a long time, you guys know that I had problems with TikTok blocking my videos, taking my videos down. So that's what prompted me to make my YouTube. And my YouTube is here. Again, look, I see it. We got a nice little 10 viewers in already. New subscribers, you guys are subscribing like crazy. I appreciate it. Go subscribe to the YouTube so I can whenever TikTok blocks me, I try to do live on both now so I can help people. You know what I mean? I appreciate you guys. For those that have already been helped, that means you guys are still here fucking with me. I appreciate it. What's the website you use for SafeMoon? That was Dex. You can literally, if you guys want to pull up the SafeMoon chart for yourself, I literally do this because I want their website to get traffic. I just search SafeMoon, safemoon.net. And I like going through their website. As you guys can see on my YouTube, you guys see the whole website. But safemoon.net. And then you can go to live chart. And I like doing it like that because I feel like, in a way, I'm still supporting them by giving their website clicks and everything. I just want to be as supportive as possible. And then thank you so much, guys. I see you guys coming and subscribing. I appreciate it. I really appreciate that, y'all. That means a lot. You guys are going crazy on here. I'm live on 2 places right now. It has to be like that. They got to stop blocking my TikTok. And then I have a lot of fakers out there, you guys. There are like over 30 Angry Advisor pages. Over 30 fake pages. None of them are going to go live like me because they're not me. You know what I mean? There are like a whole bunch of them. So again, guys, I'm trying to give another platform that I can be helpful on. I mean, clearly people are finding me helpful. Things are going. My SafeMoon video is still one of the highest in the hashtag. Almost 7 million views. When I first was talking about it, and I made that video when SafeMoon was way down here when I got in. This is my initial entry, you guys. This was my initial entry. There was no BS. You can literally go check. The video's still up there. I don't remove anything unless it's harmful to people. There was only, if you ever see me remove a video off my page, maybe I promoted something and it wasn't that great and people, got hurt. I'm not about that. I want to see people win. You guys are going crazy on my YouTube. I see it. Subscriber after subscriber after subscriber. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate it. I also do live trading. So I just made this new account. Today was supposed to be the first day I was going to go live to trade to all my Patreon followers. I started off with a low account on purpose. Look, so I transferred in $200 into this account. And like my goal is by the end of this month, me and my followers, I mean, depending on how much money you put in, I want to double the account every week minimum. Every week minimum. So if I have about 200 in here, at this time next week, this time next week, I'm going to have 400. And then from there, from 400, I'm going to go to 800. And I did it. I've been on live. I traded on live. And that's what people asked me to make a Patreon because I told them I didn't want to trade just here. A lot goes into it, a lot of my time and everything. And I try to at least let you guys know what I'm looking at. But literally my followers, you guys asked me to make a Patreon. So I made a Patreon and I actually put it in my bio. So if you guys want to start on that, we're going to get started. I'm going to chart it on live with you guys. So I haven't even started to draw the chart in. I plan on trading. This is Doge right here. We're going to do leverage trades on Doge. For people that believe in Doge, this was a request. Somebody asked me for that. You already know I trade XRP, so we're going to do live trades on XRP. Ethereum for sure. I chart my Ethereum, but I went through and I made a sub account. You can see right here. It says sub account. I don't know if you guys can see on my TikTok, but this is literally a sub account that I made specifically for people that want to trade with me and grow their portfolio with me. If you guys are interested in things like that, when I go live on my TikTok, I will go live when I'm in my trade already. But for my Patreon supporters, they're going to be there with me when I'm plotting the trade so they can pretty much get my calls to get into the trade. And then I'll go live after I enter the trade on my TikTok. Just to give a little extra edge to the people that want to support me and support my Patreon. For people that want to see me do live TA, I do random live TA videos on my YouTube more than I do on my TikTok. So if you guys are interested in that, and you guys, I see the subscribers coming into my YouTube, but my YouTube is for the live TA. And then I go live on my TikTok to talk about things like the movements and I try to give updates on this too, y'all. So again, mostly everything I do is to try to help. I'm not here to try to, yank from people, make money from off you guys or anything. I just want to help. And I appreciate the amount of subscribers that just came over to my YouTube. If you guys want to see what it looked like before you come over, this is what it looks like. I'm very transparent. Everything's going to be transparent with you guys always. So this is what it is. You're going to have my webcam here so I can talk to you guys and be more personable, And then for people that support me on Patreon, I do also have a Discord. It's a private Discord link that only my Patreon supporters get, so I can talk to you guys 24/7. So if you guys have questions, want to get them answered, want me to chart certain things with you, or just have certain ideas, let me know. Where's a good place to get a wallet outside of places of Coinbase? Sorry for ignoring the comments, guys. I had a lot to talk about. If you want to get other wallets other than Coinbase, crypto.com has a wallet. There's one called Bread. You can check out Bread. Or you can get an offline wallet, Ledger. Look up the Ledger. This a vibe. Thank you so much. What do you think about CHPT? I'm not sure. I have to check it out. And I'll check out ANKR. I know that has been on my list, y'all. So I'm definitely going to check that out. The only hard thing about being live on two different platforms is I'm only answering one side at a time because I'm one person. But I appreciate you guys being patient and still sticking with me. If you're on my YouTube, you guys should be hearing some decent, nice, chill, mellow music. I think it's good to have mellow music that kind of puts you in a focus mode when you're looking at charts and trading and doing things like that. So if you guys are liking the music, let me know. That's great. For those of you guys that are here on my TikTok, I got the music playing out here so y'all can hear it. But you do get more information here on my YouTube, and YouTube doesn't block my videos like TikTok. So you might get a better update for coins like Shiba and Doge and all that stuff when they start to make moves, because when all the hype comes in, it seems like TikTok wants to block my videos sometimes. So I do trade BTC. My Patreon is listed. It's in my bio, guys. If you guys want to become a patron, go ahead and go in there. I do have like a little welcome post, so you guys can go and sign up for the broker I use, which is Fimix. If you guys want to trade with me, I use Fimix. I do leverage trading. So you can start with a little bit of money, and we can turn a little bit of money into a lot. Look at this move right here. Doge is making a move. But with leverage trading, it is more risky. But the way that I trade, I literally have, this is my trading model. The way I trade, I'm either taking a small gain, a big gain, or a small loss. That's it, because I know how to manage my risks. So there's only 3 type of trades that I have, and 2 of them are gains. You know what I mean? So just to let you guys know, that's what I follow. That's what I go by. Hey, somebody said they found it. Thanks for following me on my, thanks for subscribing on my YouTube. If it's hard for you guys to find, go search Angry Advisor on YouTube. Since it's still kind of new, there's not a lot of, it might not be the first one to pop up, but I try to keep my logos and everything the same, or you guys can possibly see it in my bio, but there's a lot of people finding it. I'm seeing new subscribers literally popping up every minute. So appreciate you guys. And for everybody that's following me, I see you guys are hitting me up on my Instagram as well. Thanks for following me on my Instagram. If you guys want to become Patreon supporters, literally go check out the link that I have in my bio. I have a link tree and it's up there. So official. I appreciate you guys though. I appreciate it. I want this to look great. I'm buying a stream cam tomorrow, so my webcam is going to look a lot better. And I got my microphone, guys. My mic, my new mic came in, so you guys will be able to hear me clearer on my YouTube. I'm gonna set up a nice little station back here with some nice little, I'm gonna have a nice setup. It's gonna be nice. The YouTube is gonna be amazing, and I'm gonna do it every single day. Found you, bro. I'm from Sydney, Australia. Nice. Welcome. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for transferring over to my YouTube. I see it. I appreciate you guys so much. Dogecoin, I know that's been going crazy on it's been going crazy. You're so less angry than the last guy in my scroll. You know what? If you want to see me angry, I get angry to all the people that sit on the sideline and don't want to invest but want to be part of the hype. All the people that FOMO in because they didn't want to get in. If you want to invest, there's no need for fear. Just put money in that you're willing to lose, and you won't sit here being worried and fearful about your investment. It actually allows you to relax and learn something. You know what I mean? So that's why at the end of my videos, I'm always telling you, go invest in something. For all y'all sitting on the sidelines, man, go invest in something. I don't want to hear it. I'm going to talk about what I want to talk about. This crypto pump, this is this. For all you guys that got in, boom, I'm going to give you guys updates on things that I talked about. And at the end of my video, I'm going to recognize the people that's just sitting on the sidelines watching, wanting to be a part of it, but too afraid to jump in, or whatever their mindset is, or just being negative about it. I realized that most of the people being negative, oh, it's a scam, this is terrible, yada, yada, yada. They missed their chance to get in. They feel like they missed out, or they bought the top of something and now it's coming down. And it seems like a scam to them. But let me tell you something. Every time these coins make a new all-time high, that means the majority of the holders are in profit. So while you're sitting on the sidelines, hating, don't want to invest, don't understand, don't even try to understand, whatever your case may be, man, I mean, that's all on you. That's where my anger comes from. That's where I'm like, man, go invest in something. That's where I become the angry advisor. You know what I mean? But for everybody else that wants to support, that wants to get in, you follow people that that you feel like are helpful to you. Like I feel like the people that are following me, I see you guys are following me. I appreciate that. I feel like you guys are following me because I'm saying some information that can be helpful to you. And if it's helpful to you, then I'm glad to do it. That's what I'm here for. I'm not here to hurt nobody. I'm successful in it, and I want to see you guys succeed. I'm very transparent. People saw me take wins and losses on here. On YouTube too. You can go to my YouTube videos. You'll see. There's one video, my longest YouTube video out. You'll see the trades that I took. I took a win, a nice little $100 trade in less than 30 minutes, and then another trade right after that. You know, this is what I'm about in here. I'm a scaredy cat. Well, hopefully I can help you with that, Brian. I'm talking to you on. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I'm not in cat girl, but I'll bring it up for you guys. I don't mind. Look, I don't mind doing this kind of stuff, y'all. This is what I do. So let's get the cat girl token up for you guys. You guys are asking, you shall receive. Oh, it's pumping up some more. What the hell? Okay, so meme coins are going crazy, you guys. So I do tell people what my recommendations are on what I would do if I was to invest. So when I was talking about cat girl, I told people I was buying at a dip. Okay, so look, it went way up here, but it's starting to pump again. But look how far it came down. As a matter of fact, this is the 1 hour. Let me see what the 12 hours is looking like. So as you can see, in the long term of things, it's trying to pump up again. That is a hell of a pump. That's still a hell of a pump, y'all. Now, I'm not recommending you guys just jump into this. That's not what I'm saying right now. But this is a hell of a pump. Thank you so much, guys. Again, I just want to appreciate everybody that's following me right now. Well, 12 hours is long term for the fact that this coin hasn't been around for a long time. I can't go into the monthly on it, so yes, definitely. Teach me, bro. Yeah, just give me a follow, man. I don't mind dropping free knowledge. I appreciate everybody that's here. Again, I am live on 2 platforms. If you guys want to join the YouTube, these people on YouTube are getting a better experience because they have the music in the background, the nice audio. They can see everything, and yeah, that's just how I roll. Again, I'm answering questions on both platforms, so if it seems like I'm skipping you, I'm not. I'm getting comments both places, so. Praying for my brothers to invest. You see, I did not mention the Squid Games on here. As a matter of fact, somebody said it in the comments, and I told you guys it was a honeypot. I told you guys that yesterday. No, I told you guys that the day before yesterday. I was live, and people kept bringing up squid, and I did not pull up a squid chart. It's a honeypot. If there's all investors and nobody's selling, that is a freaking honeypot. That means they can't sell. There's some sort of trap, and then they rug it. I came over from TikTok. Okay, welcome, Brian. I appreciate it, and thanks for the new subscription. Appreciate it. Yes, definitely stay away from Squid Coin. I don't want to mention it on my live. I'm glad I didn't cover it. I don't want to cover it. And yeah, it hurt a lot of people. See, that's what I will be honest with people. That's what I'm about. Thank you so much for the follows, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate you. And don't forget to check out my YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Check me out. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. Let's get it going. I'm gonna start copying my videos from TikTok to my YouTube as well for people that are only watching on YouTube, because I know YouTube has been more lenient with me posting videos and TikTok has been blocking stuff. So I wanted to let you guys know on this cat girl. So we all see this crazy pump. Let's go. I like to check price range and everything. So from this time it started coming back down. Yeah, damn, that was a nice little pump. Okay, and then from all the green days. So from here to here, it's still up another 174%. But I mean, still majority of the investors are in profit. I mean, you do got this chunk from here to here that are probably just going to be holders right now. But listen, I don't know. I would kind of stay away from I mean, if I was to get in cat girl, like I was here when it was pumping right here, like days ago, like last week and stuff. And I told you guys, if I was to get in cat girl, I would buy on a red candle. So people that did get in, I hope you guys got in on the red candle, this little pullback, because I told you guys this is when I would get in. If you guys were on my live, you remember me saying that. You should take crypto donations. Oh, you know, I was thinking about doing that. I do want to get into crypto donations and all. That's the reason why I want to get people to YouTube. I feel like I have more flexibility on that too. I don't know how to do that on my TikTok. But also, I have a Patreon. So if you guys want to just support, I have a Patreon for people that just want to support me doing my TNA, which is the cheapest. And then I have, if you guys want to actually trade with me and make money, I have a Patreon, a little bit higher Patreon. And I think you can make your money back in one of the first trading sessions with how cheap I have it. So if you guys are interested, you can literally check out my Patreon page. And I appreciate that, guys. I appreciate it. That's a way. I know people have been asking me. They said they want to donate. I know people that actually made money on some of the recommendations I made, and I'm happy for you guys. So if you guys are interested in donating, I mean, the best way to support me right now is through the Patreon until I get all the extra stuff supported. So I appreciate it. Oh no, look at this, guys. Look what's over here. Pre-sale ad, baby Squid Game. Like there's another Squid Game token. You think anybody's gonna want to get into this Squid Game anything when it was just the biggest scam out? Not at all. Appreciate y'all following, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Check out the YouTube as well. I'm gonna keep saying that. I know because I'm on both platforms. You guys know I'm keeping you up to date on the latest Shiba news. Let you guys know if a Shiba start falling and you start getting nervous, come here, come check out my technical analysis because I'm going to be live doing my TA. So if you guys want to see that, if you're invested or you're thinking about investing, you want to know when's the best time to buy in, you want to know when I think you should take profit, go ahead. Where do you get your news from? So I do watch a lot of YouTube videos on the fundamentals just because I'm a technical analysis guy. I get a lot of my moves from literally charting it. I do daily TA. I do daily technical analysis. When it comes down to fundamental news, I get that from YouTubers, and I'll give you guys a list. I know I keep saying I'm gonna build a list of the YouTubers that I watch that I feel like are on point with the news. And there's different ones for different currencies. How do you feel about mining stocks like right? Oh, I'm not sure. I haven't. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What am I charting on? Oh, this is on TradingView. I don't know how I feel about mining stocks. I haven't really checked out any of that. I've been mostly just into my cryptos. And I'll show you guys, I'll go through my list again so you guys to see which ones I'm in. Shiba analysis, this is my Shiba analysis. I think if we hold above here, we may just consolidate in between, maybe in between these two, in between this channel right here. We did break out of this little descending triangle, and I think that's bullish. Thank you guys. I see you guys subscribing to me still on my YouTube. I appreciate it. And yeah, when this goes back up and rival its all-time high, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know when I think it's blow off top and everything, when I think it's best to take some profits. I'll let you guys know when I'm taking more profits. I showed you guys where I took profit the first time. So again, follow me if you guys are interested in that. Do I mine any crypto? Yes, I mine. I do IoT mining. So I don't have the actual big, heavy Bitcoin miners. I have the miners that you use, like helium. I do helium mining. So I'll show you. And I do MatchX. So this is one of the miners. And literally in a couple of weeks, my miner is going to be able to mine Bitcoin, you guys. So this is crazy. Thank you, y'all. Thank you for the new subscriber. I'll see you guys. Thank you. So my miner that mines the MXE token is going to now be able to do low-powered mining on Bitcoin. How crazy is that? This is crazy, y'all. And I'm going to let you guys know how much money I'm making and what's going on with that. I told you guys I'm also mining helium, if you guys want to check that out. But they're quiet. They barely draw any power. And they plug directly into your router, and as long as you give it a good spot and you have your antenna, you start making some good money on that. I GPU mine. I have about 90 minutes. Oh, nice. What do you mine? What coin do you mine? Let me see what you guys are saying here. Check out Litecoin. I'll check out the Litecoin chart for you guys. I used to have it up here, but I'll check it out. Let me see. Let me go back to the charts over here. Thanks for the follows again, guys. Appreciate it. Oh man, I lost the comment I was trying to find. I lost the comment. I'm sorry, guys. My comments on TikTok are coming in very, very quick. So I think I'm gonna have to get a moderator soon, where somebody that also knows a lot about crypto that wants to just chime in. If you guys are interested in that, hit me up in my DMs if you guys know a bit about what's going on and want to help me out, because I can make you a moderator so we can work together. That'd be great. I mean, sometimes like my live hit 1K and the comments are going so fast I couldn't answer nobody. But if I had two people scanning the comments, one person could answer one question while I'm answering another one. That'd be nice. What's that miner again? Oh, I'll show you. Is it a good time to invest in SafeMoon? Yeah, I did. I definitely invested in SafeMoon, and yeah, I did, and I don't feel bad about it. It was a good call for me. Again, I'm not a legal financial advisor, so you should definitely do your own research. But my entry points are this blue line here. I bought some up here, and I bought some way down here, like 5 months ago or something. I think SafeMoon will go to touch or even pass its all-time high very soon. So helium soon, nice. Oh, you're waiting on the rack miners, nice. I might sell. I might have a couple of my miners for sale. I said that last time on live, but no one reached out. I mean, maybe 1 or 2 people reached out, but if you DM me on my IG, I do have a couple of helium miners I might get rid of. And I'm going to just do it for a decent price. I made some good money on them. They're already synced to the blockchain. So if you guys want to get into the mining now and you've been looking at the helium miner, hit me up on my DM and I'll give you a good price for it. And I even give you the aftermarket antenna that I'm using to make some good money. This was the other miner if you guys was trying to get into MatchX. The MXC token is only like 5 cents right now, so you're getting a good amount of tokens. But I do think this is going to shoot up sooner or later. They're gonna do Bitcoin within the next 2 weeks, and then Polkadot. You're also going to be able to earn Polkadot. So this is absolutely crazy. This is a multi-token miner, and it's quiet. So check this out, y'all. For miners, and I'm selling 2 980s to buy me a new motherboard. Nice, definitely upgrade. That's what's up. I was gonna get into some CPU mining, but I just like it quiet here. You know, as you can tell by the music that I have on YouTube, I like a mellow kind of vibe. You know, that's just what I'm going with. How much is the miner? The miners, I think they're normally like $400 or $500. I was thinking about somewhere around $700 is fair price, considering the fact that you can get it now. Because if you try to buy a miner brand new right now, buying a miner brand new, they're pretty much hard to obtain. They're kind of sold out everywhere. And then when you do buy them, you won't get it for like 6 months. But if you paid a couple $100s to get mine, it's already synced to the blockchain. You start making money now, it's going to pay for itself in the long run. So. And then I'm giving you aftermarket antenna with the appropriate cords, and I'm using military grade wire for the antenna, because I met somebody that actually sets up and do radio installations and all things like that. So they help me with that. Like you with technical, and you pretty much know you can use that almost in any market. Yeah, that's why I do TA. I do technical analysis, because you could use this in any market. I mean, no matter what coin I want to look at, no matter if I know the fundamentals or not, the market kind of lets you know a direction, it gives you a general idea of where the thing is going to go. So that's definitely why I'm more into TA than into fundamentals. But it doesn't mean I don't study my fundamentals to kind of see what's going on, because that could shake up the market and make some big move. You know what I mean? But if you need help, I'm learning. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for the gifts. I'm learning more about balance sheets and more about the fundamentals. Nice. I mean, if you guys want to help me, partner up with me with some things, I don't think I know everything in the world. I'm open to help. So if you guys feel like you can help me with that role, you know, my page is growing. You know what I mean? This is a community thing for me. I just want to help people, and if that's your end goal too, DM me. Let me know what you know. Let me know what you want to do, how you can help, and I'll definitely try to help. What was the name of that last miner you showed? MatchX. Right here. It's far more expensive up front. This was a $3,000 miner. Thank you guys for the follows. I appreciate it. I love to help people. Yeah, I will. Okay, go ahead and hit me in my DMs. My Instagram is attached. So I appreciate it. You guys got me going crazy, by the way. You guys got me at 5.6 thousand likes on here on my TikTok. That's absolutely crazy. For everybody that went and transferred over to my my YouTube, you guys can get more information, listen to the chill music. I appreciate you guys, because there's sometimes that my TikTok blocks certain content, especially when things are pumping. When things are pumping and I want to tell you guys something the most, TikTok kind of fails me. So if you guys want more information, follow me on YouTube. Literally go search Angry Advisor on YouTube right now, or you can click on the link in my bio. It should link you to my YouTube. And yeah, y'all join my YouTube and subscribe. I've seen it's over 50 subscribers since I've been on live. So I appreciate you guys and all your support. Predictions on Shiba. Okay, so on SafeMoon, my short term is that SafeMoon is going to come back up and test its all-time high, which from where it's at right now will be, let me see, I have to draw a new line. Yeah, like almost 100% pump. It might pump another 100% pretty soon too. I think it's just doing it's like a little sell-off. Like a consolidation is good. If you don't see this kind of movement in the market, and it's just going straight up, it's going to fall. It's going to come down just as fast as it went up. I want you guys to know that. Thanks for the fire, y'all. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. I love my SafeMoon. Me too. I've been holding strong on SafeMoon. I love it. And I actually bought some more recently, which was great. I haven't done that in a minute. All right, let's take a look at Shiba. Again, I told you guys, I think Shiba's going to be consolidating in this channel. It might do what it did here. When I let you guys know, I told you guys over here when it was going to consolidate. If you guys were already following me back then, you've seen that I was talking about it right here. And then when it did this break, I went live. I went live for you guys and showed you guys. I even drew a little line where I thought it was going to go after it went there, and it passed it up. It went way higher. It hit it, which was kind of crazy, and then it went higher. And that's because, look at this. I did it. How did I do it? I think I measured the last pump that it had from the all-time high, and I came up with a new line. and it actually hit it. That's where this line is, which was absolutely crazy. I didn't expect it to hit it like that, but not only did it hit it, it broke above it, and then from there I've been charting it ever since. So I made this chart to show people. There are people that's asking me, hey, is it too late to get in? And I'll say, if you want to get in, it'd be better to get in when it's testing one of these lower levels in this channel. But the absolute boss entry will be if it ever dips down to here. But if it does dip here, we have to make sure we wait to figure out when it's going to start to break back to the upside. Here from TikTok, thank you so much. The Real Nizzle, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for following me from TikTok onto my YouTube. Again, guys, check out my YouTube if you want to get content that's not going to be filtered by TikTok, because there are a lot of videos I tried to post when these things were pumping that did not get posted. That's what made me make this YouTube. I had to. I said, you know what? I'm getting shadow banned. I know some people say there's no such thing as shadow banned, but that's not true. I mean, TikTok has literally sent me messages like, hey, we're blocking. They blocked me from even posting one time saying guidelines. And then I submitted an appeal, and then they said pretty much, oh, my bad, and gave me my page back. So TikTok has been like heavily monitoring my page, and I get it. It's crypto, you know what I mean? There's a lot of scams that's been going on. I'm not here to scam anybody. I've just been here trying to help. I don't own none of these things. I don't ever have affiliates with any of these projects. I just sit here and try to help you guys, you know. And some people find it helpful. That's why people have been sticking around. So I hope we're all making money together. If I'm making money and you guys see what I'm doing and I'm being transparent, I hope you guys are making money too. If not, you know the saying, go invest in something. Love your catchphrase, go invest in something. That's funny, I just said it. Now go invest in something. All right. Okay, let me see. What are the red line numbers? 000039. So 000039. If you want to know where I put my chart, you want to make yours like mine, or take a screenshot, or if you follow me if you're here on my YouTube, you can see it in 1080p, and you can actually see all the numbers. That's why I'm trying to get you guys to go look at my YouTube as well. You follow me on here, that's great, and I appreciate you. But follow me here on YouTube too, because you can see this like clear. It's clear. I have the charts big. You can literally go look on YouTube right now. You can screenshot the charts. That's why I leave it like this. I will sometimes let it just sit here for a second so people can screenshot, get an idea as people go in and out. So, Jen Glass, I appreciate you. Thank you guys. Thanks for subscribing over here on my YouTube. If you had 4K, what would you invest in? I would buy a lot more H-bar while it's at a low price. I'm accumulating H-bar like crazy. This is like one of my biggest long-term holds for me right now. And besides, of course, TikTok. Twitter, the same handle? No, my Twitter is angry_advisor, spelled the same way, because somebody else has that regular angry advisor. But angry_advisor for my Twitter. And my Twitter is, I gotta be more active on Twitter, guys. I'm barely on my Twitter. I would definitely be more active on there if you guys want to follow that too. But I appreciate you guys here following all of my socials. Moon, what is this one called? Oh, mono, what is that? Is that another meme coin? Cake coin. I keep seeing you guys talk about that. What coins? What are these coins? What are these, guys? Give me some insight. What you guys want me to look at? What is it? Let me know what it is. Let me know what it is. Any Doge? No Doge at all on my portfolio. I sold all my Doge. Squid Games token. Get off my live with that Squid Game crap. Thank you, y'all. Thank you for the follows. You read everything else but naked. NAKD. I mean, I'm looking at it. I don't know if I'm going to look these up right now on my live, because what if it's something like Squid and I brought it up on my live? That's not what I want to do. But I'm making a mental note on some of these. Just like when people wanted me to look up with Cat Girl, I looked at it. I wanted to see that people weren't getting rugged first, but people have been making some good money on this. And I told people, look, on my other computer, I even drew a line. I mean, I was on my desktop. I'm right now. Well, they're both laptops, but I was on my desktop setup. But check it out. I was telling people right here when it was. Let me show you guys this. Look at this. You see this area? When it first made its dip, I started to draw in a line on my other computer, and I told people if they wanted to get in the Cat Girl, they should wait until there's a dip. Thank you guys so much for following me on my YouTube. Do you just do crypto? For now, lately I've been just doing crypto, but no, I trade Forex and everything. So when you guys see me get into my trading bag, you'll know. If you guys want to trade with me too, I do have a Patreon. If you guys want to just be a supporter and just chill with me while I chart for people. I chart. If you follow me on my Patreon, and you want to just join me as for the charting, you can definitely just do that, and I'll chart with you guys, and we sit there for a couple of hours, and I look at the coins you guys want me to look up, and we go into detail. But I also teach and show you guys what I'm looking at and why I'm charting it the way I do, how I use the RSI and some of the other tools that I use, pivot points and all that. So if you guys are interested in that, I have a Patreon. If you guys want to trade with me, if you guys are interested in trading, you traded before, just want to see my strategies and make money with me, I have a Patreon for that as well. So that's in my link, that's in my bio on my TikTok. And I'm going to put a little button or something on my YouTube live for you guys. But look, I told people about this. I mean, look, this is the charts don't lie. The charts don't lie. I'll show you guys how I charted. Right here, I see a zone here. Clearly see a zone here. And then I see this line here. We see a little area here. Let me go ahead and make this thicker so you guys can see it. This would have been a nice time to get in, and this would have been that resistance zone, and it broke straight through it and did some crazy numbers. But I was here on Catgirl as it was doing these movements, and I was telling people I didn't buy in, but if I was going to, I would wait for a dip. So things like this, I try to help people get in at good prices. I don't want you to be the guy buying in up here because hey, you told me about this as it's pumping. No, when it's pumping, I'll tell you guys, hey, this is pumping, but this is the best time to get in. Shiba, I see you. I'm sorry. I'm looking at two different comment sections. Yeah, let me go to Shiba again. I showed you guys again, for those of you guys that didn't get a chance to see, Shiba's consolidating right now, and I think this is healthy. I think if we keep seeing a move like this, we're going to start to see more buying momentum. I feel like when Shiba makes these healthy little consolidations, the uptrend tends to last longer. If it was just to keep going up, if it was to just break up and keep breaking up, it's going to come down just as fast as it went up. Where do you buy it? Depending on what you're trying to buy. If you're looking to buy into Catgirl, which is already pumping like crazy, you could check them out on the Pancake Swap. However, if you want to get Safe Moon, you can get this on BitTrue. That's where I would buy it. And Shiba, you can get on, I think, BitTrue, Crypto.com, Voyager. You can get Shiba's more accessible than all of these coins. Katecoin, I don't want to bring that up on my live just in case. I really want to be careful, you guys. I know you guys are telling me certain projects. If I haven't looked at it already, I would hate to promote or talk about another like big coin mishap. Like I'm glad I didn't talk about Squid Games. I seen you guys talking, and I told you guys, let me look at it first, and then I determined that it was a honeypot when I saw that people weren't able to sell. And that's why I went on my live and I said, see guys, I'm glad I didn't pull up a chart for it or nothing. You never saw any Squid Game chart on Angry Advisor video, live, or anything, because I wanted to assess the situation before I go live. I've talked about and jumped in and didn't think about, I didn't do my research before, and I got in and it sucked because I lost money, but also other people that believed in what I was talking about lost money too. I don't ever want to be that person. And I'll always give you guys my disclaimer. I am not a legal financial advisor. I speak about what works for me, and that's what I do. Let me see. What is your advice about taking profits and knowing when to take out? Because I bought in early on Shiba about 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, I bought in like 5 months ago. Well, I like to take profits. First off, you should be taking profits throughout as it's pumping. So every time it makes a new all-time high and gets in price discovery, take some profit for yourself. Then when it comes back down, if you see some sort of consolidation, you can make a little chart for yourself. So you can say, hey, you know what? I'm so much in profit. If you truly believe it's going to go higher, just hold. That's the best thing to do. If you feel like you want to take more profits, you give yourself a limit. So you draw the charts like I'll have it. Like if it breaks below this line, if it goes anywhere below this line, I'm going to take the rest of my profits. And that's just what it is. Because if it does continue to go to the downside, I will draw a trend line and wait for that trend line to be broken, letting me know that the trend reversed back to an uptrend, and that's when I'll buy back in. So I'll show you guys all that. True, but SGT, not a scam. Coin bro, check it out. I'll check it out, guys. I just don't want to bring up, I'm not going to bring up nothing on my live that I haven't checked out myself. So I see you guys. I'm not ignoring you guys, but I'm just telling you guys what it is. Yes, H-bar is Hedera. Hedera hash graph. Sorry, guys. You guys, I need a second to get some water. I've been talking for like an hour straight. Let me see how long I've been on this live. I've been on this live. For like 50 minutes. Let me go get some water real quick, you guys. Just enjoy this good music for a split second. I talk too much. Where did I place my water? There it is. I'm back. I'm back. Cardano. Oh yeah. Let me bring up Ada. Sorry guys. It's a lot going on, man. Don't hate me, y'all. Don't hate me. I'm one person. I'm only one person. Uh, I don't have Cardano in here. I thought I. Oops. Still in this accumulation zone. The best app to use on mobile for charting, TradingView. TradingView is great. Okay, guys. Sorry, I needed that drink. Whew. Game coming out. Okay, thoughts on Naked. I gotta check it out, y'all. I don't know. Mana, I was pumping like crazy. Absolutely pumping like crazy. Look at this, guys. Here's Cardano. Oops. Man, I'm sorry about that. It's just, this is an accumulation zone, but I'm not accumulating. Again, I told you guys I already have a long hold already. Nothing against it. Nothing against that at all. It's just not for me. But for people that are interested, if you are accumulating right here, I think it's a nice zone to accumulate. The next zone to accumulate would be if it falls down to the $1.80. If it breaks down below that, you might as well just hold. But I do think with the market, I think the market is overall bullish, so I think it's going to go up from here. That's just my honest opinion. But I do wait for price action. Like, I want to wait for some sort of big momentum move that engulfs all of this right here and a nice close, then a healthy retracement, and then some continuation to the upside. So until I see something like that, I would just say if this is the area, if you are looking to accumulate more, you can accumulate right here in this zone, and that'll be good. You're not at least you're not accumulating up here or any of these tops. Every time I make this new top, you don't want to be the one accumulating there and then it falls. You know what I mean? I think this is you can see that there's some sort of support in this area, and the price keeps getting supported. This is why I say wait for price action. Thank you so much for the follows, y'all. You definitely got to wait for price action because it'll tell you, and it shows you that there's a lot of support right here, even though that there's a lot of, lower lows being made. This area tends to be that spot. So do what you do. Do what you do. No problem. I hope that was helpful for you guys. Listen, I've been on live for a whole hour, or almost a whole hour. You already know when I start talking like this, I'm going to get off. I'll be back on in a little bit. I'll probably be on live for like another 10 more minutes on my YouTube. So again, I'm going to give you guys another chance to go click onto my YouTube, please. Because again, it's not just like I'm just trying to get people over here. It's for the simple fact that when big things happen and I want to get on live and talk about it or whatever, it's almost like TikTok blocks my live or something. I get only a little bit of viewers, even though I have a lot of followers. And then when nothing's going on, for some reason I get the most viewers. My videos get blocked out. Sometimes they take them down. It kind of sucks. But I figure if I just do the YouTube thing as well, I'll be able to still reach a lot of people and be helpful. So when the action starts kicking in, I want to be the #1 source of news for you guys on the technical side, not the fundamental side. I'm a technical analysis. You feel me? Technical analysis. Anchor, I haven't checked it out yet, but I will. Check out SGT Squid Game. All right, I will. I'll check it out when I get off. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. Appreciate you guys for following, and I appreciate everybody that went over to my my YouTube. If you guys want to trade with me, I have a Patreon. If you just want to become a supporter, you can also become a patron and watch me do charting. I chart every day on live, and I just started adding stuff to the Patreon. So now is the perfect time to become one. We will make me and my patrons will make money. I promise you, we will make money. We will make money this month for sure. And you guys will probably end up recommending. I think so. I'm gonna have like a thing where my first 250 patrons get in at the price that I have. And then once I get above that point, I will definitely have to raise the price because it does take a lot for me to go live and chart this. And I'm gonna be trying to go live at least 2 or 3 times a day. So that's a lot of opportunity for some people that's working that can't get in at one point. They can go back and then I'll leave the video up. They're unlisted. They're going to be unlisted so the patrons are going to be the ones that can go back and see the trades that they might have missed that they can learn from and see why I did what and even follow and catch up their technical analysis in their charts. So we're going to make money together, guys. What coin's on the screen? This one is ADA and Cardano. Appreciate you guys though. Literally, I do appreciate you guys. Let me get some water, catch back up on my breath, and follow me on my YouTube. I'll be there for maybe like a couple more minutes before I go all the way off. Appreciate it, guys. Man, go invest in something. Go follow my YouTube and go invest in something. Oh man, it's just me and you, YouTube. Hit that bell. Oh, nice. Anyway, y'all, it's gonna be, I like smooth, chill vibes. You know, I'm gonna have my background looking nice, so when you guys gotta see my face on this camera, it'll be nice. I've been building this up. I don't have a lot of followers yet, but you know, it's building up. And look at this. You know, I got my little scene with the no cam. If you guys want to see just everything without my face. I got all webcam if I'm sitting here having a Q&A with you guys and I'm, you know, just talking like, hey, how y'all doing? Right now I'm using a built-in webcam, and this is a gaming computer, so the webcam sucks. But I promise you I'm buying a stream cam tomorrow. 1080p, so you guys can see me clear, whatever. You know what I mean? And, excuse me, guys. Then also, I have like little other little scenes loaded up, so it's going to be nice and professional in here, you guys. I just put 100 in. Line electric, fingers crossed. People were saying about the Doge line too, you know, the Doge line and all that. I would love to buy one of your miners. Let me show you. I got the box and everything. Hold on. Look. Yo, I think, like, do your research. You guys will see that, I mean, I'm not trying to just make money off people. $700 is a good price. I got the box and everything. It's already set up. So all I will have to do is transfer it over to you. And since it's already synced, when you plug it in, it might take like another day or so to sync, depending on if I have to ship it to you or something. But the moment you get it and you plug it in, it'll sync up way quicker. When you get a brand new one, it takes like a week before it starts even making you money, before it starts to get witnesses and everything. So having one that's already been set up and synced is really good. So if you're really interested in this, at Angry Advisor is my Instagram. At Angry Advisor, spelled the same way I spell it on all my channels. And just hit me up in my DMs, and I'll literally respond to you as soon as I get off this live, and we'll figure it out. Because I know a couple people asked me for it, and then when I, you know, try to figure it out, they didn't respond. And you know, I'm not going to chase anybody down. I have it plugged up. It's making me money until somebody buys it. So it definitely works. And I'll even include, if you want, for like $10 more or something, I'll include the power over Ethernet switch. So if you plan on putting it outside or something, you don't have to have a power cord running outside. You can literally have the Ethernet send power and data to it. So let me know, guys. What's the best? What's the absolute best miner you could buy, if you could? I mean, I do this. I don't do mining on like the actual loud mining machines and all that, and they cost so much money. And I'm not into that. I'm into this is the kind of mining that I do. I would love to buy a miner. Thank you. Yeah, just message me. Message me on my my Instagram right now. Let me see the Catgirl address. This in SP holding in their wallet. Put the market cap on SP and 1.3 million. How can that be? But now they have removed SP token from the wallet because I questioned it. Wait, what? That's crazy. I'm gonna have to do some. I'm gonna have to look that up. I did not invest in Catgirl, y'all. Please be careful with these coins. I do want you guys to be careful. I definitely do. I mean, I only mention them when you guys ask me about it, and I try to do my research and just. If it didn't get rugged or something, or if I see people making some money and you guys want to know, well, Austin, or Angry, how do I make money on it? I'm going to try my best to help you guys out. Like I told people about this. You know. I screenshot it. Nice. Send it to me. Hit me up in my DMs, guys. I try to be helpful as possible. I know it's not really, it's like there's a lag between, you know, the communication and stuff on here, in my comments. But I try to be very active. I try to respond to people when I can. If there's something that you're asking that I don't know, I'll be transparent. Like, hey, I don't know, but I'll try to figure it out. And if I can figure it out, 2 brains are better than 1. And then I might have that answer for the next person. So let's do this together, you guys. Everybody that follows me or support me, if you're my Patreon supporter, if you're just a YouTube supporter, no matter what it is, we're all on the same team. So I appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna try my best to help you. Hit me up in my DMs at Angry Advisor on Instagram, at Angry Advisor, the same Angry Advisor, the same way you spell it on my channel here. Angry, ADVISER. Whew, talk a lot. Need this water, y'all. The miner mines helium. Helium. It mines helium. If you could invest in one stock tonight, which would it be? Stock? I I don't know. I have not been following the stocks. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm far more interested in cryptocurrency because it's so early. It's so early, and we're getting these at insane. Some of these cryptos we're getting at insane prices. Like I can't wait till I'm talking to you guys in like a year or so, and we're looking at H bar, and you're like, damn. I remember when Angry was talking about it, and it was at 40 cents, 39 cents, and it's like 40, 50, $60. Like I could imagine me talking to you guys about BT or BNB when it was low, just like a year and a half ago. The damn thing was only around like $20, $30. BNB went all the way up to like $700 this year, and it's still hovering around $500. Can you believe that? I think Hedera is going to be that, y'all. If you can invest in one crypto tonight, what would it be? It will be H bar for real. H bar or BTT, but definitely H bar. Definitely H bar. 100% H bar. H bar for sure, y'all. Again, not financial advice for legal purposes. I'm going to keep giving you guys that disclaimer. Coinbase doesn't support H bar. Get it on Voyager. Listen, if you guys don't have a Voyager, I'm gonna put my referral code. I'm gonna actually have it up here soon, but I'm gonna put my referral code. Voyager is easy for people that are just getting into it. If you rather just buy it and not transfer if you want to like transfer your crypto around from one wallet to the other one and do stakings and all that, then maybe you might want to look at other exchanges. But if you just want ease of use and want to just get in and want a platform that supports the majority of the coins, man, you got to get on Voyager. And I'm about to put my referral code in the comments right now. And I'm going to explain to you why. Let me see. Open a browser. Yeah, sorry, guys. I'm about to put it in there because if you guys sign up with my referral code, we both get $25 if you're new. Let me see. Where's my phone? Yeah, we both get $25. And what I did was I took the extra $25, right? And I literally... Hold on. I take the extra 25 and I bought a coin called BTT, which is under $1 right now. So you imagine I got like 6,000 coins of BTT with that extra free $25. That's a double down situation. So sorry, I'm distracted, but let me say it again, guys. If you guys, there's my code. If you're new to Voyager, if you don't have Voyager and you sign up for Voyager and you want access to some of these coins that we're talking about that's not available on Coinbase, sign up for Voyager. Use my code that's in the comments right now. And you can literally take that code and you'll get a free $25. And you take that $25, it's going to come to you in Bitcoin. So you sell the Bitcoin and then you buy something like BTT. Again, not legal, not financial advice. It's something I would do, something I did. And you get like 6,000 coins, and BTT I think is going to pump pretty hard. I mean, it already ran up to $1.50 in the first part of this year with this small bull run, and now they just launched the BitTorrent chain. They do storage. They have storage on the blockchain. It's a big storage platform. The BTT is going to pump. It's like one of the highest. I think it is the highest actually storage coin. Like if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can look at categories for which coins are known for what. And BTT is considered a storage coin, and BTT is the highest, higher than Sia coin and all those other ones. So if you guys are interested, that's another project that is under $1. That's half a cent. That you can get into. I got into VeChain at half a cent, and I wish I had this platform because I was begging people that I knew, like, please, y'all trust me, VeChain. And the damn thing with the 28 cent, I made so much freaking money on that. It's ridiculous. So I screenshot it for tomorrow. Nice. I appreciate it, guys. Now listen. I've been on live for over an hour. As you guys know, it's almost midnight here. I will be back on live tomorrow. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube. Thank you for coming over for my TikTok. Thanks for following me on both platforms. I appreciate your support. If you ever want to help, I have my Patreon too. If you want to become a Patreon supporter, and they get, I trade live on there again. I'm gonna keep letting you guys know. We're gonna grow slowly but steady. I'm not in a dying hunger, I'm not trying to make something off you guys. I want to make something with you guys, and I like the community that we're building with Angry Advisor. So let's do this, y'all. I don't want to be the only one winning here. I want y'all to win with me. So I'm gonna be transparent and always be genuine with you guys, even whether I make a mistake or not. You guys are gonna know firsthand. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great night. And go invest in something. Get off my live and go invest.